Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your premier destination for high-impact digital design and creator tutorials. Want to make your graphics pop with that trendy professional sticker aesthetic? Today, I'm showing you the secret to creating custom sticker effects in Canva that look absolutely elite. Step 1. Upload your image. Launch Canva and drop your chosen photo directly onto your creative workspace. Starting with a high-quality image ensures your final sticker effect looks sharp and professional. Step 2. Find your elements. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left and search for your specific sticker graphics. Choosing the right base element is the key to building a cohesive and attractive visual design. Step 3. Refine your typography. Click your text and switch the font to a bold, thick style like Rubik for maximum impact. Heavy fonts are essential for that classic sticker look, making your message stand out instantly. Step 4. Apply the curve effect. Head to the Effects menu in the top toolbar and select the Curve option. Rounding your text gives it that authentic, die-cut sticker vibe that US audiences love. Step 5. Perfect the placement. Drag and drop your curved text to the exact position where it complements your design best. Strategic placement ensures your sticker looks like an intentional, high-end piece of brand art. If you want to master more viral design hacks, hit that subscribe button for Preyo Promo right now. Join our community of elite creators and take your editing skills to the next level today. Step 6. Select bold colors. Open the color picker and choose a high-contrast palette that makes your sticker explode off the screen. Using bold, vibrant tones is a proven way to grab attention on busy social media feeds. Step 7. Create layered depth. Hit Ctrl+D to duplicate your elements and create a thick, multi-layered sticker outline. Adding this extra dimension gives your graphic a premium 3D feel that looks incredibly professional. Step 8. Initiate the export. Once you're satisfied, click the Share button in the top right and select the Download option. Moving into the export phase is the final step toward bringing your custom sticker to life. Step 9. Save with transparency. Select PNG as your file type and be sure to check the transparent background box. This ensures your sticker is ready to be used anywhere without any messy white boxes. Now you've got the skills to create pro-level stickers that truly stand out in any project. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button and I'll see you in the next one.